Morning students, nice to see you again. Okay, very good. We are discussing the topic statistics and that 9.1. Okay, ninth question we are here, right Nana? See, according to the question, a company manufactures car batteries of a particular type. The life in years of 40 batteries were recorded as follows. This is nothing but lifetime. So how many years it will be? Okay, in years, 2.6 years, 3.0 years, 3.7 years. These are nothing but the lifetime or the life of a battery. Construct a group of frequency distribution table with exclusive classes. Okay, for this data using class interval of size 0.5 starting from the interval 2.2 to 2.5. 2 to 2.5. Okay, right. Now let us come here to understand. If the question is given, first of all you need to find out. Very good, Nana, very good. Maximum value. So maximum value and minimum value. Can you tell me what is the maximum value? Here in this line 4.5, 4.5, 4.6, 4.6, 4.6 and here 4.6, 4.6, 4.2. So you can observe 4.6 is to be as the bigger one, isn't it? So observe once again 4.6, 4.6, 4.6, yeah, so 4.6 is the maximum value. You observe the minimum value now, 2.6, 2.2, 2.2 is the minimum, 2.2, 2.2, 2.2, no, 2.2 is the minimum, 2.2. Now let us find out the range. Range is equal to maximum minus minimum. 4.6 minus 2.2. Okay, so we go for 4.6 minus 2. How much? 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. And the class size is given as 0.5. So size is equal to 0.5. Now you need to find the number of classes. So number of classes is equal to range by size, that is 2.4 by 0.5. After the point you have a single digit and after the point you have a single digit. So you can remove the points. So it becomes 24 by 5, that is 4.8 approximately equal to 5. So you will get number of classes 5. Okay, Nana? This is now we are going to construct the table, and the first one is life of battery. Okay, the next one is tally marks, and next is frequency. Okay, they asked you to take the exclusive classes, Nana. Exclusive classes means the maximum value must be used in the next class. Okay, right. Now, and they said that 2 to 2.5. See, if you take 2 to 2.5, then it will give you 5, 0.5, but in inclusive classes. So I change it little bit to 2.6, and this 2.6 is started here. 2.62, you add 0.5 for this one, you get 3.1. Is it 2.1? So this is 2.0, 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. You got 5, and 2.6 is used here. 0.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, 3.1, 3.1. And next 3.1 starts again. 3.1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have to go for 6. Isn't it? 3.1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3.5 and you go for, one second, pause. Yeah, students, see this is the class intervals what we have taken. So 2.0 to 2.5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So up to 2.4 you will have 5. Then 2.5 is taken here. So 2.5 is again continued to 3.0, 3.0 to 3.5, 3.5 to 4.0, 4.0 to 4.5, and then 4.5 to 5, isn't it? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we got 6 classes. But we approximately thought that we need to take 5 classes. But we increased 1. Only this is because of 4.6, which is our maximum number. Okay? If you take up to 4.5, then you can't have 4.6 there. So you need to have one more class. Then no problem. You can take one more class or you can reduce one more class. Okay? Right. Now let us note the tally marks. 2.6. Where do you place S? 3.0, 3.7, 3.2, 2.2, 4.1, 3.5, 4.5. The next 3.5, 2.3, 3.2, 3.4, 3.8, 3.2, 4.6, 3.7. Next 2.5, 4.4, 3.4, 3.3, 2.9, 3.0, 4.3, 2.8, 3.5, 3.2, 3.9, 3.2, 3.2, 3.1, 3.7, 3.4, 4.6, 3.8, 3.2, 2.6, 3.5, 4.2, 2.9 and 3.6. Okay, now let us take all the values. How much we got here? This is 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 1, 2, 2 5 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and this is 5, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11, this is 4 and this is 3. Okay, you add all of them, 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 14 plus 6, how much you get? 20, 2, 0, and this is 4. See in the question, 40 batteries, we got the total 40. Is it clear, guys? Very good. Now, the first question we have stopped in this exercise previously. Let us look that one once, okay? And we can complete our exercise fully. Right? See the first question. What is it? They have given you some information, okay, and asking to prepare. See, write the mark-wise frequencies in the following frequency distribution table. Here it is given for you marks and number of students. So here I am writing the marks, okay, 5, that is 5 members, up to 6, that is 11 members, up to 7, 19 members, up to 8, 31 members, up to 9, okay, this is up to, not 11, you may confuse. So I write up to 9, up to 10, that is 45 and this is 40. So this I want to separate them marks wise, marks and number of students. Now when we separate marks wise, I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. Okay guys, now we have to take 5 marks, 5 students, but up to 6 you have 11 members. That means 5 members already there up to 5. So 6 members means you take 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. How many members got 7 marks? 7 marks got 19 members. So up to 6 you have 11 members. So you have to subtract this 11 members. 19 minus 11 is equal to 8. Now up to 8 you have 31 members. So up to 7, 19. Now you subtract 31 minus 19. 11 minus 9 you get to 2 and 2 minus 1, 1. Up to 9 you have 40 members. So up to 8 that is how much members? Up to 8 you have 31, isn't it? So you get 40 minus 31 is equal to 9 members. Now we go for up to 10, that is 45, and I think you understood, minus 40 is equal to 5. Now if you take 5 members got 5 marks, 5 plus 6, 11 members got up to 6. So 5 plus 6 plus 8, you got up to 7. 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 12, you got up to 8. This way of addition is called as cumulation, and we are separating from the cumulation. Okay. By this we completed our 9.1 exercise. Practice this exercise fully. Bye.